Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Passion of IELTS. आज आप writing task 2 देखेंगे. The question is, millions of people every year move to English speaking countries in order to get a better education. Why do many people want to learn English? Should they learn English in their own country and migrate, or should they learn both the languages? Support your answer with reasons. The answer is, communication is a two-step process of interchanging ideas in a group or with an individual. English is an international language that has a very strong binding factor globally. It helps in developing international relations and provides global vision in the society. In my opinion, language should be learned from the native country because translation is the only mode and medium to understand the concept. Moreover, a student can study and work simultaneously, so it becomes very easy to adjust to a foreign culture. Expanding the statement, the demand for English language has increased over the period. Because in most of the jobs, good command over English language is prerequisite. In the past, most of the students migrated for doing manual jobs. However, nowadays awareness is high and students desire to polish their skills and work for white-collar jobs that are possible only with an understanding of a language. The students even feels comfortable with their regular studies in when the language is understandable. To conclude, English-speaking countries are developed nations where students migrate for a better career. Therefore, non-English speaking countries should improve the quality of a language at the primary level so that the students face less difficulties with the language when they migrate.